Today, we will be talking about the Vivo X200 Pro. With flagship specs and a killer design, let's see if it really lives up to the hype. Here's everything you need to know. First, the design. Sleek glass back, premium metal frame, and a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 1260 by 2800 pixels resolution and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Perfect for gaming and media. Under the hood, you've got the Mediatek Dimensity 9400 chipset paired with up to 12 and 16 gigabytes of RAM, making it a powerhouse for multitasking and gaming. Whether you're browsing or gaming, it's super smooth. The 50-megapixel main camera, 200-megapixel periscope telephoto camera, and 50-megapixel ultrawide camera is insane, giving you ultra-detailed photos even in low light, plus 8K video recording and multiple lenses for wide shots, telephoto, and portraits. With a 6,000 milliamp hour battery, you'll easily get through the day, and with 90-watt fast charging, you'll hit 50% in just 15 minutes. The Vivo X200 Pro is packed with features you'll love. It's a true flagship phone for anyone who demands top-tier performance and a standout camera. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.